If you forgot the password to your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL and now you don't have access to the phone, you cannot unlock it, then in that case, in order to bypass this forgotten password, what you can do is you can perform a hard reset of the device using the recovery mode. So unfortunately, you will most likely lose everything that you have. Well, you will definitely lose that you have everything on the phone, on the internal storage, unless you made a backup, of course. So in that case, you will be able to recover some stuff. But essentially, if you didn't make any backup before, then you will unfortunately lose everything. However, if you still want to have access again to the phone, then in that case, we're gonna go to the recovery mode. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open this power menu, and we're gonna shut down our phone. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off, and afterwards we want to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So press and hold these two buttons until you are in the fast boot mode. There we go. Now in the fast boot mode, we navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume up and down in order to find recovery mode. And then we're gonna confirm by pressing the power button. Now we're gonna wait for the next screen, and we're gonna see the no command text with the dead Android. In that case, you want to press and hold the power button, and once you are holding the power button, you want to press volume up. So press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. And right now we are in the Android recovery. There we go. And in here, once again, we navigate with the volume buttons, and we are looking for this option over here. Let me try to get the focus. There we go. Wipe data / factory reset. And of course, we confirm our choice with the power button. Over here, go to factory data reset and confirm. And once it is done, you should be able to, well, you will most likely go back to the main menu of Android recovery. So we want to exit it by choosing reboot system now. And you will have the first configuration again. You will have to set up your phone again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.